Hello everyone, so welcome to the important revision series where we shall cover the chapter in a single video so that you people are benefited for it. This revision series is for JEE Mains, NEET and AIIMS examination. So in this video, the very first video, I shall be taking the whole ionic equilibrium with the concepts and the multiple questions for the given topics so that everything is covered in the best possible manner. So the first topic here I am taking is the acid-base equilibrium. So let us try to see that how the questions come on it. The very first question is an important one which relates to the weak acid and weak acid mixtures. So let us try to see. This acid is a weak acid. How to decide that? We have been given the Ka. So it implies that this is a weak acid. This acid is also a weak acid because the Ka has been mentioned. So these two have been mixed. We need to find the pH of the given mixture of the solution. So let us try to see. We have been given CCl3 COOH which will dissociate into CCl3 COO minus plus H plus. At time t is equal to 0, let us say that the concentration is 0.1 which has been given to you. At time t is equal to t, it is 0.1 minus x, and here we get x and here also x. Similarly, the acetic acid which is present in the same beaker, a very important thing, the acetic acid which is also present in the same beaker would dissociate into CH3 C double bond O minus plus H plus. At time t is equal to 0, we have been given here as 0.1 concentration. At time t is equal to any time t, this can be taken to be 0.1 minus y, here also y, here also y. Now please see that here we won't get x because the Ka's are different. Hence it implies that the values of x and y may or may not be the same because the Ka's are different for us. Now the important point to realize here is that the reaction is carried out in the same beaker. So if it is carried out in the same beaker, it means that the concentration of H plus here should be equal to the concentration of H plus here because both are in the same beaker. This ion and this ion are in the same beaker, so the concentration has to be the same. So that is why we get X plus Y here and also X plus Y here. So that is the basic and the most important step, that the H plus concentration has to be the same because both are in the same beaker. Now using the basic equilibrium conditions, we get for the first case X into X plus Y whole upon 0.1 minus X to be equal to Ka, which is equal to 7 into 10 raised to power minus 5. So from here we can write the value of, now see, 0.1 minus x. Here x can be ignored because x is very less than the comparison of 0.1. Why? You can see the order here. It is 10 raised to power minus 5. So what does it mean? That the denominator has to be, that the x can be ignored with respect to 0.1. So that is why it is ignored and taken to be equal to 0. So we get the relation from here as x into x plus y. 0.1 is multiplied here is equal to 7 into 10 raised to power minus 6. Let me say that this is some equation number 1. Similarly, applying the equilibrium condition for the case number 2, that is the acetic acid, we get y into x plus y whole upon 0.1 minus y to be equal to 2 into 10 raised to power minus 5. Similarly, here also we can ignore the value of y with respect to 0.1 and we get the relation as y into x plus y to be equal to 2 into 10 raised to power minus 6 because 0.1 is taken out here. So let me say that this is the equation number 2. Simple mathematics. See, many people actually cram the formulas for the chapter ionic equilibrium and they would then go running after their teachers that it is a very difficult chapter. So the first and the most important thing, don't cram anything. This is science, nothing should be crammed. You should understand everything. So this is the relation which we have derived. Now we add equation number 1 plus equation number 2. So what we get? X into x plus y into x plus y. Now 7 and 2 becomes 9. So 9 into 10 raised to power minus 6. Take out x plus y to be common from here. X plus y is taken out to be common. Inside we get x plus y is equal to 9 into 10 is to power minus 6. So from here x plus y whole square is equal to 9 into 10 is to power minus 6, which implies x plus y is equal to 3 into 10 is to power minus 3. Now what is x plus y basically? X plus y basically is the value of H plus. The H plus concentration is x plus y, and that has only been asked. The pH of the solution has been asked. We know the concentration of H plus, which is basically equal to 3 into 10 is to power minus 3. So pH is equal to minus log of 3 into 10 is to power minus 3. That is basically equal to minus log 3 plus minus of this thing would become 3. Why? Because minus log of 10 is to power minus 3 is equal to 3 log 10. So 3 log 10 is basically equal to 3, which has been mentioned here. So 3 minus log 3, the value of log 3 is 0.48. So 3 minus 0.48. So that basically comes out to be equal to 2.52. So this is the pH of the very important question, the mixing of weak acid along with the weak acid. Okay, so now let us move on to the next.